Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If you want to change your personal hotspot password on iPhone 17 to keep your internet secure or stop others from connecting, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Personal Hotspot option. If you don't see the option, then tap on Cellular first and then select the Personal Hotspot option. On the next page, tap on Wi-Fi password. Here, erase the old password and enter a new one. Make sure your Wi-Fi password has at least 8 characters for security. After you have entered your new password, tap on the Done button on the keyboard. That's it. Your personal hotspot password has been updated. Anyone connected to your iPhone's personal hotspot before will be disconnected automatically and will need the new password to reconnect. And that's how you change your personal hotspot password on an iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.